Ohio, central Logan County, southeastern Hardin County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bell Fountain, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, West Liberty,
vehicle,
Bell Center, West Mansfield, Northwood, Mount Victory, Rushville, Huntsville, Ridgeway, Valley High,
11:22.
Mansfield, Hepburn, Pfeiffer, Essex, Lewistown, Big Springs, New Jerusalem, McMorran, Byhalia, and Somersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the official national